Good morning, guys. It is Saturday morning, 10 a.m. and just want to walk you through my day today. I had already read a couple chapters of my book, which I really like. This book is called This Is Me by Christy Metz from This Is Us. And I already went to my gym, which was a body pump class, and it's a total body workout that included shoulders, backs, triceps, biceps, sit-ups, lunges, and squats. And I just got gas, and let's just keep going on this beautiful Saturday morning. I kind of like rainy days, so I can get a lot of productive things done and not feel guilty that I'm not being outside, out and about. All right, let's do this in one sweep. So I ran to Walmart and I found this buffet serving set for our birthday party coming up next week. And then I'm putting away shoes. Those foam things are just keep the boots standing up. And then now I'm just reheating lunch. So lunch is really quick. This is just like chicken and rice that my mom made with sticky rice. Just heating it up, putting away the dishes. Probably eating as I am doing all of this. Sort through my mail, our mail. I look through his mail too and just recycle a bunch of things. Put in a second load of laundry. With the first one were the sheets, and then the second one were their blankets. And then these are crystal wash. I use that in place of detergent, and it really helps balancing the pH level and take away odor from clothes. And then now I am folding clothes for him because it's supposed to be his job, but he is 3 loads behind. And then the bed sheets, the bedding stuff are done, so I'm making the bed. That takes maybe 60 seconds. Moving on, now I'm about to prep meals. This first dish is mussels with preserved vegetables, and I'm just cleaning the mussels and then now flavoring them with oyster sauce, garlic, chili paste, and sugar, and then heating up my pot with sesame oil, and then just cooking through the mussels. They're very flavorful already, so I don't need to flavor too much. And then these are the preserved vegetables, pickled vegetables that my dad made. So I'm just heating that up, or pretty much cooking that and adding sugar to it because it is pickly. And then I assembled my plate. I also made rice on the side so that any leftovers we can have meal prepped lunch for maybe a couple days. So this is the ensemble. It's spinach, tomatoes, and pickles, onions. And then meanwhile, I'm still waiting for Sebastian to come home. I'm finishing up our thank you cards from our wedding. There's actually a variety of them. There's like postcards and there's magnets and da-da-da-da. Now he is home, I think, or about to be home. So I prepared dinner, or plated dinner, and then also throwing in a batch of brownies because we had some ripe bananas. So I'm throwing bananas into brownies. Lining the cupcake / muffin tins.
Anytime I'm working, I do not shop after. I just go.
This part gets messy, but let's move on. And then also, I made cabbage and carrot soup. Yay, that is my day. Thanks for watching, guys. Subscribe, stay inspired.